Hello students. A very good afternoon. Can you hear my voice? Yes. Murugesh, Aishwarya, Swati, Priya. Fine. Sarayu, Ruchita, Shweta. Good. Fine then. Okay. Now, today is the concluding class. Today is the concluding class of bridge course. Today is the last bridge course. And tomorrow, from tomorrow, the bridge course classes will not be there. And college is going to start from Tuesday, and Monday you have to join the hostels. Yes. Okay. Monday you can join the hostels. I hope you are getting calls from the college side also. They are providing you all the informations. And Tejaswini, don't worry about the divisions. Think how to score more when you come over here. Okay. Divisions ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದಿರಲಿ. Do not worry about that. What you need, you will get everything. Okay. Do not think of anything. Right. ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತದೋ ಏನಿರ್ತದೋ ಹೊಸ ಅನುಭವ, ಹೊಸ ವಿಷಯ, ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಆಗಿರ್ತದ. Yes. Sarai, yes, reporting time Monday from 10 to evening 5:30. At any time you can come. Yes. Okay. Monday. Yes. And if you are a localite, ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಅವರು ಇದ್ರೆ local Jamkandi, then you can come directly on Tuesday at 8:30 to college. Okay. So Monday is a reporting, Tuesday is the first day to start your classes. Okay. Indurani documents ಏನೇನ್ ತರಬೇಕಂತ ಅನ್ನೋಂತದ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮ್ ಕಾಲ್ ನಾಗ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾರ, or else if you have not got the call, you have to wait for your turn. Yes, after my class you will get the call. Remaining whoever have not got the call, you will get the call from college. Okay. Yes. Soumya Shedbala, Monday ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಏನು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬರದೇ ಹೋದ್ರ ಲಾಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರ because based on the classes only you will be having the exams, the merit exams will be there. So that's why better if you attend the classes from Tuesday. Okay. Right. Returning time, everything we will inform you. Pratyonda. So first step into the college. Okay. ನಿಮ್ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇಡ್ರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಬೇಕು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸಮರ್ಥ ಸೂರ್ಯವಂಶಿ, ಸಂಡೇ ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಮಂಡೇ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಂಡೇ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸಂಡೇ by evening. Okay. Right. Because our college is the CET center, Saturday and Sunday will be the CET exams will be conducted over here, and that's why what happens, none of the faculty will be there. Now ಯಾರು college ನಾಗ available ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ Saturday and Sunday. Monday ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, all the faculties are available on Monday. That's why we are insisting you to join on Monday. Okay. Sarayu, no need to bring the COVID certificate. ನಿಮಗೊಂದ consent letter ಕೊಟ್ಟಿವಿ, parent signature ಇದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. Okay. That's enough. So let us start our last session today. Let us not discuss more. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಟೀಚರ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಇಂದ, ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಬೇಕು, you can ask them. Okay. Is that fine? Right. Yes. Now let us start with the human circulatory system. Now in the human circulatory system we are talking about the human heart. I'm just going to teach you regarding the part of the human heart. Okay. Now the question comes, as a human circulatory system is there, now which are the structures that are involved here? Okay. Which are the structures that are involved here for the circulation? What all the things we need? ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಕೋಕಟ್ನೂರ್ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನಿನ್ನೆನ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Okay, because whatever we have taught here is only the basics for you. Fine. Yes. Okay, now let's go to the part here. What all the things that we need for the circulatory system? Now first, what we require a heart. Then second, what we require blood vessels. Third, what we require blood. Okay, that means if all these three structures are there, then only we call it as circulatory system. Otherwise we don't call it as a circulatory system. Okay, that means for the process of circulation, Kunal Chauhan, Sukanya Hebbal class mugid nanತರ call ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Okay, call after the class for additional information, right? Okay, now look at the process here in the human circulatory system. As I'm giving you, for the circulation, heart is required. Heart is a pumping organ of blood. Second is a blood vessel. Blood vessels are required because they carry the blood. And what we require is blood, because blood is the fluid connective tissue. Yes, blood is the fluid connective tissue. So that's why we require all these things. If all the three structures are there, then only we call it as what? Circulatory system. You ಮೂರು ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ circulatory system ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಇವು ಮೂರು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು ಅಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we don't call it as a circulatory system. ಅದು circulatory system ಅಲ್ಲ. Okay, then what type of circulatory system do the humans have? We have closed type of circulatory system. Yes, I'm going to write here what type of circulatory system do we have. So humans have closed type of circulatory system. Closed type of circulatory system means what? The blood will flow in respective blood vessel. Santosh, correct. Anilida also. The blood will flow only in the blood vessel. Our blood won't come in contact with the body cells. ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ದೇಹದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಜೀವಕೋಶ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Then only we call it as a closed type of circulatory system. Okay, and almost all the vertebrates, they are having closed type of circulatory system. Okay, now let me give you one more hint. Let me give you one more hint regarding the circulatory system. Now first let's come to the difference between arteries and second one is veins. Arteries andre enu, veins andre enu, ee vyathyasa ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. Yes, now if we look at the arteries as well as vein, yes, most of you are giving the right answer here. Arteries are those blood vessels which supplies or it carries blood away from the heart, away from the heart. Okay, veins are the blood vessels it carries blood towards the heart. Yes, got the difference now? Arteries ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ದಿಂದ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗುವಂತ ರಕ್ತನಾಳಗಳಿಗೆ ಆರ್ಟರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಅದು ಆಕ್ಸಿನೇಟೆಡ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಡಿಆಕ್ಸಿನೇಟೆಡ್ ಇರಲಿ. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ದಿಂದ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೊರಟಿತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಆರ್ಟರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಯಾವ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ವೆಸಲ್ ಗಳಿಂದ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಸೇಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ವೇನ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್, got the difference? Arteries carry blood away from the heart, veins bring the blood towards the heart. So both are in opposite. ಒಂದು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದ, ಒಂದು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತದ. Yes, arteries are heart in the blood ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾವ. Veins will carry blood towards the heart. Fine. Okay. Now let's come to the human heart. Let us come to the human heart. Okay. Now let me use a term. Human heart is having how many chambers? Yes. So human heart is 4 chambers. What are those? 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. Yard auricle irtava, yard ventricle irtava. You can just see it in the diagram itself. Okay. Position, location. Where is heart present in our body? Heart ellada. Where is heart present in the human body? Yes. Correct. So heart is located in thoracic region, or we also call it as or chest, in between the lungs in between the lungs in a region called mediastinum. Okay, so where is heart located? And bandaga. So heart is located in a region where we call it as mediastinum. Okay, so you have to remember this. Yelli heart. Heart is located in the thoracic region or chest region and in between the lungs in a region called mediastinum. Yes, ninne now bandaga. Yesterday you have saw regarding the human lungs. In between 2 lungs there was a cavity, there was a space where we call it as mediastinum, and that mediastinum is the region in which heart is located. Heart irudu aa region vagade. Okay, fine. Now let us come to the human heart. Okay, now let's see here. Now heart is covered by a layer on the outer side. So first let us see what is the size of the heart. Size of the heart is size of our closed fist. ನೀವು ಮುಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೈ ಈ ಸೈಜ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ನಿಮ್ ಹಾರ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, size of a closed fist ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Heart wall is surrounded by a membrane. Heart wall ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು membrane ಇರ್ತದೆ. It is called as a pericardial membrane. Okay, Pawan, very good. So heart is covered by a membrane. So here we call it as a pericardium. Heart is covered by a membrane called as a pericardium and karitivi. Okay, then just look at the chambers. How many chambers are there? There are 4 chambers. Out of that, what we have? Okay, now let me mark with the help of here left atrium. Left atrium dagirodu oxygenated blood. Let me write O2. Then left ventricle dagirodu oxygenated blood. Let me write it as O2. Then right part. Now here with the help of the pink color structure or the red color structure, whatever is shown in the heart, that part is concerned with oxygenated blood. It is oxygenated blood. That means it is the left part of the heart. Left part of the heart receives oxygenated blood. Right part blue color ತೋರಿಸಿದ meaning ಏನು deoxygenated blood. So it contains deoxygenated blood. Yes, right atrium ದಾಗ ಇರುವಂತದೇನು. So here you have deoxygenated CO2 ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ CO2. So here also it is CO2. Okay. Yes, you can see it in the diagram. That means left part of the heart has oxygenated blood. Right part nag ಏನದ deoxygenated blood ada. Fine. Okay. Now let us come to the blood vessel. Ego 4 chambers ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಿವಿ. 2 auricles are there, 2 ventricles are there. Auricles are at the upper side, and on the lower side we have ventricles. The blood from the auricles should come into the ventricles. ಎರಡು auricles ಆಗಿರುವಂತ blood ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡು atrium ದಾಗಿರುವಂತ blood ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ventricles ಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. Okay. Yes, fine. Okay. Now look at here. Left heart, in the left part of the heart, the oxygenated blood, when it is pumped, it has to enter into the biggest artery in the human heart. Can you tell me which is the biggest artery in the human heart? Here we can see. Yaudidu? Aorta. Yes. This is the biggest artery in the human heart. Aorta is the biggest artery which supplies oxygenated blood to all parts of the body from head to the toe. From head to toe. Idi ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹಕ್ಕೆ blood supply ಮಾಡೋದು aorta. It is the biggest blood vessel ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Biggest artery ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Okay. Then what it supplies? Oxygenated blood. ಎಲ್ಲಾ cells ಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ವಾಪಸ್ ತಿರುಗಿ ಏನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. And upper body part will carry deoxygenated blood. Okay, you'll note it in the diagram. You can just look at it in the diagram. From the upper part, first ಗೆ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ oxygenated blood ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಈ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ದಾಗಿಂದ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದು where it will come to the superior vena cava. It comes to superior vena cava. ಅಂದ್ರೆ oxygenated blood is carried to upper body part. From there what happens? The deoxygenated blood is carried back to the right part of the heart through superior vena cava. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರುವ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ದಾಗೇನು. ಅದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಹಾರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ವಾಪಸ್ ತಿರ್ಗ. ಎದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಬರ್ತದ? ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ ವೇನಾ ಕಾವಾ. ಇದು ಬ್ಲಡ್ ವೆಸಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ ವೇನಾ ಕಾವಾದಿಂದ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ದಿಂದ ಬರ್ತದ. ಲೋವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತದ? ಓಕೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಅವೋರ್ಟಾ. ಅವೋರ್ಟಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಅವೋರ್ಟಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಗೈತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ as aortic arch ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. This is aortic arch. Then bend ಆಗೈತಲ್ಲ, this is aortic arch ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇದು ಬೆಂಡ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ this supplies what? Oxygenated blood. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವು? ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಲೋವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಸೆಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಇವು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ. when they release the carbon dioxide, that carbon dioxide blood will come back to the heart through inferior vena cava. Yes, can you imagine now? Blood flow hang sequential ada anta ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದ. ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡ ಯಾವ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ವೆಸಲ್ ಬರ್ತದ? ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ ವೇನಾ ಕಾವಾ ಬರ್ತದ. From the superior vena cava, the blood is released into the right auricle, right atrium ದ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲೋವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ದಿಂದ ಡಿಆಕ್ಸಿಜನೇಟೆಡ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತದ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಗೆ? ಥ್ರೂ ಇನ್ಫೀರಿಯರ್. ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ಫೀರಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಇನ್ಫೀರಿಯರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಲೋವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಎಸ್ಟರ್ಡೇ ಐ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಯು, ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರ, ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಡಯಾಫ್ರಾಮ್ ಅದ. ಡಯಾಫ್ರಾಮ್ ಇಂದ ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಇನ್ಫೀರಿಯರ್. ಇನ್ಫೀರಿಯರ್ ಅಂದ್ರ ಇದು ದಿಸ್ ದ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್. That inferior means lower body part. Superior means what? Superior means upper body part. Yes, got the idea? Fine. Okay. Now, right auricle carbon dioxide blood bantu, deoxygenated blood bantu. Yes. Now, deoxygenated blood from the right auricle or atrium enters into right ventricle. Illinda blood L pump akatandra, it is pumped into the pulmonary artery. Look at this. This is the pulmonary artery. Deoxygenated blood is pumped into the pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery branch agate. Branch agate. On the left ಹೋಗ್ತದ, on the right ಹೋಗ್ತದ. It enters into the lungs. ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ, ಇದು ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು here it goes to the lungs. ಒಂದು ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಲಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ತದ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೈಟ್ ಲಂಗ್ ಹೋಗ್ತದ. From the lungs it gets oxygenated. Lungs ಒಳಗಡೆ oxygenation ಆಗ್ತದ. ವಾಪಸ್ ತಿರುಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದ? Again from the lungs it is carried back to the heart through pulmonary veins. Through the pulmonary veins. So lungs ದಿಂದ, from the lungs the oxygenated blood comes back here. Yes, ill oxygenated blood bardada. Okay, that means pulmonary artery will supply deoxygenated blood to the lungs. From the lungs, oxygenated blood will come back to the left auricle through pulmonary veins. Then from the left auricle, the oxygenated blood will enter into the left ventricle, and when the left ventricle pumps the blood, then it enters into aorta. Idu aorta da enter akondu hogtada. Fine. Is that clear? Okay. Idu istu blood hang flow ಆಗ್ತದ ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. Next, in heart ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನುವಂತದ. Okay, you can just see here. ಎರಡು ಆರಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಒಂದು ವಾಲ್ ಅದ, ತಡೆ ಗೋಡೆ ಅದ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆಪ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. That is called as a inter auricular septum. ಎರಡು ವೆಂಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸೆಪ್ಟಮ್ ಅದ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಟರ್ವೆಂಟ್ರಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸೆಪ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. That will differentiate the left and right part of the heart. Now, left part of the heart ಒಳಗಡೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, here we have a certain wall called as a mitral wall. You can see here, this is a mitral wall, where it is also called as, or it is also called as a bicuspid wall. Bicuspid wall. And on the right side, here you can see this is a tricuspid wall. Illu wall ada, illi ಮೂರು cusp irtava, illi ಎರಡು irtava. Then why bicuspid wall is called as a mitral wall? Okay, so let me explain you. Okay, yes. Now with a rough sketch, I'll just show you. Okay, so here I am showing you with a rough sketch. Okay, what is this? Idu left auricle, this is left ventricle. Okay, then this one, this is a right auricle, right ventricle. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವುದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವುದು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್. Okay, then on the left side here oxygenated blood, here also oxygenated blood. Okay, now here what we have, here we have the biggest artery where we call it as aorta. Then here this side we have the pulmonary artery. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತದೆ ಇದು. This is the pulmonary artery. Okay. Pulmonary artery aorta ಅಂತದ. Pulmonary artery base ಏನದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ here it is. Yes, can you see here? Aorta base ಎಲ್ಲದ, it is here. Yes, can you see here? ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗೋದು oxygenated blood. Okay. Then you can see here ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗೋದು deoxygenated blood. Okay. Yes, so this is pulmonary artery. This is aorta. This side we have superior vena cava. On the lower side, here we have inferior vena cava. Okay. Now this side here, what we have? This is pulmonary vein. Okay. Now what we require here is here we have cusp. Here we have cusp. Now this is called ಇದಕ್ಕೆ tricuspid wall. And this one is called, sorry, it's not tricuspid, it's bicuspid. And on the opposite side, here we have tricuspid wall. Okay. Yes. Can you make out this? This bicuspid wall, this is also called as mitral wall. Why it has got the name? It has got the name from the mitre. Mitre antandre ಏನು? Mitre is actually a hat. ಹಂಗಿರ್ತದ. Yes, mitre is actually a hat where the Pope will wear. Christian Guru ಅವ್ರ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಹ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಿಟ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಎರಡು ಕಸ್ಪ್ ರೀತಿ ಹೋಲುವಂತದ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಮಿಟ್ರಲ್ ವಾಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಎಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ದ ಮಿಟ್ರಲ್ ವಾಲ್. Okay, got the idea regarding the human heart? Okay, I gave you a simple sketch of the human heart. Okay, where you can see it clearly also. Fine. Now, what will happen here? ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ bicuspid wall, tricuspid wall ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು. Bicuspid wall, tricuspid wall, they prevent the backflow of blood. Auricles ಆಗಿನ blood ಒಮ್ಮೆ ventricles ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ the blood from the ventricle should not flow back. ವಾಪಸ್ ತಿರುಗಿ ಹೋಗಬಾರದು. Once if it comes in one direction, it will not go in the same direction. ಯಾವ ರೂಟ್ ದಿಂದ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ಅದ ರೂಟ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಬೇರೆ ರೂಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದ. ಎಸ್, ಎಸ್ ಸುಪ್ರೀತಾ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಲ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್, ಎ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆರಿಕಲ್, ಎಲ್ ಎ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಆರಿಕಲ್, ಎಲ್ ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ವೆಂಟ್ರಿಕಲ್. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಇನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಆರ್ ಎ ಅಂದ್ರ ರೈಟ್ ಆರಿಕಲ್, ಆರ್ ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರ right ventricle. Yes, understood Suprita Savati? Okay, fine. Yes. Now, bicuspid and tricuspid, look at this. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ auricle ಇಂದ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ವೆಂಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಬರ್ತದ, ವಾಪಸ್ ತಿರ್ಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ದಂಗ bicuspid wall ಮುಸ್ತದ. When it closes, it will produce the heart sound. Heart sound ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದ? ಲಬ್ ಡಬ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಿರಿ. Yes, okay. Then apart from this, let me quote one more. Here at the base of, this is the base of auricle, this is the base of this is the base of the aorta, this is the base of pulmonary artery. This base, it consists of a wall called a semilunar walls. It consists of semilunar wall. Why we call it as a semilunar wall? ಈ semilunar wall ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಂದ್ರ blood vessel ಒಳಗಡೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ventricles contract ಆಗ್ತಾವು, blood from the ventricle flows into the arteries, respective arteries. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದ? ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂದ aorta ಹೋಗ್ತದ, ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂದ pulmonary artery ದಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ತದ. ಹೋದಾಗ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಬರಬಾರ್ದಂಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. Valve, those valve will close. That's why we call it as a semilunar valve. Semi andra half, lunar andra moon, half moon shaped valve irthav. That's why the name semilunar valve. They will close and the second heart sound is formed, where we call it as dub. Okay, so this is regarding the walls. Bicuspid wall, tricuspid wall, ಎರಡು ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂಡ ಎರಡು auricular ಮತ್ತು ventricular ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇರುವುದರಿಂದ we can also call them as a auriculoventricular valve, or in short AV valve ಅಂತನೂ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Okay, right. So this is regarding the human heart. ಈಗ presently ಇಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, that is enough. Okay, then I want to tell you, do you know how many times does the heart beat? How many times does the heart beat per minute? Our heartbeat. So heartbeat per minute is around 70 to 75 times, and average is 72 times. Our heart beats how many times? 72 times per minute. Average is 72 times. Okay, per minute. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷಕ್ಕೆ 72 ಸಲ. Yes, okay. This is regarding the normal. In case of the adults, it is 72 times per minute and ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Okay, then apart from this, can we detect the heartbeat? Yes, ಒಂದು pulse rate ಮೇಲೆ through the stethoscope. And if there is any disorder in the heart related disorders ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ, suppose it might be a angina pectoris, chest pain ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ, or a heart attack where there is a blockage of the blood vessel. Yes, there might be blockage of the blood vessel. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Yes, this is the heart aorta base ಇಂದ ಒಂದು coronary artery ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಆತಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ವಾಲ್ ಗೆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಮಸಲ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಹಾರ್ಟ್ is made up of water, striated muscles, and we specially call them as cardiac muscles, and those cardiac muscles will die, leading to heart attack. Heart attack now detect ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರ, to identify, we have a device. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, we don't call it as a MRI Samath, we call it as what? ECG machine. So heart defects are detected by defects in heart is detected through ECG, electrocardiograph ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರೊಬ್ಯಾಬ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ECG ಮಷಿನ್ ಇರ್ತದ. ಆ ECG ಮಷಿನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ವೇವ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಇದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದ. ಓಕೆ, ECG ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದ. We just take out the electrocardiograph also. Now, if any deviation, yes, Malikarjun, ಹಿಂಗ್ ECG ಹಿಂಗ್ ರನ್ ಆಗೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಓಕೆ ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗತಿ we observe the such time ಮುಂದೋಗಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತೀರಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಾಗ ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಡೆತ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅದ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿ ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಇಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತದೆ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಎಸ್ it means that the person has died. So that is the defective what heart, where heart is not functioning properly, right? So this is regarding the part of the human heart. Okay, so if you require the screenshot, if anyone requires, you can just take it now. This is the first slide, then let me go to the second one. Yes, this is the second one and the last one. Is the last one. Okay, so with this let us conclude our part here today in online, and this is the last time where we are meeting on a small screen, and on Tuesday we will meet on a big screen offline. Okay, so I hope all the best for all of you. You can start packing your materials. Yes, so from Saturday, Sunday, and just you can start your journey on Monday, and we are going to meet you on Tuesday with the actual class. Okay, see you all in an offline mode on Tuesday then. Okay, bye, have a great day.